Hey everybody, I hope everybody is doing well and had a good day. In this video, I will briefly review the Emini 5-minute chart for Friday, August 29th, 2025. Strong rally into the close of yesterday, but we opened the day with a big gap down. So here's the 15-minute chart. Here's what we had going into the day. So yesterday's close back here, bear channel, big bear breakout, second leg down, likely, trading range, reversal attempt, but weak. Bulls had a couple of legs up, trying to close the gap, but unable to, and still the bears have not had their second leg down. So we may get that second leg on the open of the day. And that's what we had going into the day. Gap down and follow through. Bars 1 and 2, no reason to buy. It's sell to close 2, sell to close 3, sell for any reason in this bear breakout on the open. A little climactic on bar 7, might be a profit-taking bar, and we may start to pull back soon. And then 9, a small inside reversal bar, not a good buy. It's a reasonable sell to close or sell above. And then we had a two-legged pullback, so 10 and 11, pullback, and then a 3-bar micro channel, 2 legs up, 1, pullback, 2. But after the bear breakout, this is likely to get a second leg down, so this is probably a minor reversal. Also look at the structure of 12, 13, and 14. It's a spike and channel on a smaller time frame. So we have a late leg on a smaller time frame. We see a late leg 1, leg 2, counter trend. So there's reasons to sell here. After a bear breakout and a pullback, the channel phase has begun. And in a bear channel, traders are selling rallies. So we have a rally and traders are going to sell up here. But now that it's the channel phase, they'll take profits at new lows. So reversal and follow through, good for the bears, but now we're back at the lows, so support down here. And then we got a 4-bar micro channel, a decent reversal up from the lows. This is likely to get a second leg up. But 15, 16 will probably get a second leg down, and so that's enough big down, big up, big confusion to cause hesitation, which happened through here. Second leg up likely, yes, but in this context, the big breakout and 15 and 16, this is probably not going to become a strong bull trend. Low 2 short 24. The bears are trying to get trend resumption. They're hoping it's a channel. And we're in the sell zone of the channel, so traders will sell here. But the bears are getting bad follow through. Tight trading range here. 25 bear breakout, but bad follow through. And now we've got 3 legs down to bar 29. Not only that, but we're also testing support. Look to the left, and the stop order 17, where the reversal began, is a support area. So we've got 3 legs down to support. Bar 30 is an inside bar. This is basically an implied low 1 short in leg 3 at support in a developing trading range. So probably okay to buy bar 30 and okay to exit shorts. And then a pretty decent bull breakout, 31 after 3 legs down, and the bull breakout needs a second leg, so this might be the start of that second leg up. So okay to buy a pullback. But it's still probably a minor reversal, not a major reversal, so there's probably sellers at a new high. So resistance at the 24 high. So bull breakout, they buy a pullback, they get their implied second leg, 1 pullback, 2, maybe 3 pushes to resistance, but tight enough channel. The first reversal down is probably going to be minor, which was 36, maybe a 50% pullback of the spike. So traders buy, and this breakout gets its own second leg. But now we have another late leg at resistance in a more bearish regime. Major trend reversals happen about 40% of the time. 60% of the time we get a trading range or trend resumption. So more likely we're in a trading range here. We're testing the resistance, the bar 14 high, stop orders trapped on 15 outside down, and then we've again 2 legs up and it's nested. 1 pullback, 2, 1 pullback, 2. So this is a sell area. So 40 is reasonable to sell below, and if you're long you can exit below 40. Micro double top 42, another reasonable stop order sell, but the market's in a trading range at this point, so the downside is probably limited. We have trap traders below 16 on 17, which triggered the stop order and reversed up. So this is a support area which was tested on 46, and you can see the approach. A couple of different ways to see 2 legs down: bear breakout, pause, second leg, or maybe 1 deep pullback, 2, and 2 subdivided into 2. So now we've got 2 legs down, back down to support in an overall trading range. So the expectation is another reversal up and a test of the midpoint, if not the highs of the range. 3-bar micro channel to 48, bad low 1 short, probably buyers below, and then a tight channel up, hardly any selling pressure, good rally for the bears or for the bulls. But now we're at resistance again, so traders will sell, bears will sell, and bulls will sell to take profits. Reversal follow through, second leg down likely, so the high 156 will probably fail. A high 1 at the top of a trading range is a sell signal. The bears got their second leg, they got their minimum, testing the low 56, but then we found support. And now entering a tight trading range within a bigger tight trading range. You can see support and resistance holding. 80% of breakouts of trading ranges will fail. So we tried to break out here, it fails, tried again here, fails, tried to break out, failed, trying to get to the downside, but did not even get below all the bars to the left. You can see we're testing that low 148, we triggered the stop order below 48, testing it on 77, and then finding support, 78 big bull bar, but heavily overlapping the prior bar, not breaking out above even the past 2 bars. It's at the top of the range, so bad follow through expected. Unfortunately, that's all the time I have for today. So thanks everybody for watching, and I hope everybody has a good weekend.